Welcome back to the lab by LG. Today we're going to take a deep dive into washing machine hygiene.
Something you may not know is that every single LG front load and top load washer is infused with a special antimicrobial agent. This ultimately minimizes the growth of unwanted things like fungi, molds, or bacteria. Next, let's talk about the washer's ventilation. Of course, all front load washers will come with a gasket which seals the door shut, preventing any water from leaking out while washing. However, when the load's done, you want to let that space air out. Washers can't always be left open depending on their placement in the home. Our solution to this is the LG magnetic door holder. This spring-loaded magnet will help keep the door open just the right amount. Another piece of the front load ventilation equation is the inclusion of a drum vent that allows moist air to escape through the outer tub's internal bellow and out the back.
On our select premium models, you'll find automatic easy dispensing systems. By containing your soap and softener in sealed containers, this keeps things very neat and hygienic. Plus, they ensure the right amount of liquid is dispensed, which reduces unwanted excess buildup. Well, what about the standard dispensing drawers? Again, besides infusing them with antimicrobial properties, we make sure to also let this chamber breathe. Now, most customers typically leave this drawer closed after the laundry's done, so we installed holes inside the handle that allow the room's dry air to travel through. Besides that, you can also easily remove this drawer to periodically rinse it out and take care of any soap residue that remains. LG's front load washers come with this option that when activated will periodically tumble the load every few minutes up to 19 hours. Now, regardless of whether you buy a front load or a top load washer, they're all high efficiency models, which means they use far less water than models of the past. With that being said, they do require a periodic thorough cleaning. At LG, we call these tub cleans. Approximately once per month, your customer uses this cycle to help remove buildup and keep the machine running fresh. On models equipped with our steam technology, you don't even need to use any additives. Just let the power of LG Steam ensure that every nook and cranny of your washer has been thoroughly sanitized. Through the power of LG's ThinkU, our tub clean coach alerts you when it's time for the next cleaning and even walks you through the process when ready.